A little goes a long way. Let's increase your pleasure with an arousal.
Oh, yeah, so close.
A little bit goes a long way. Let's increase your pleasure with an arousal oil. Hey everyone, welcome to Atms TV. I'm Emma from Adulttoymegastore and this is Doing It. So this is a series where I teach you all about how to get down with your sex toys. In today's episode, we're taking a look at how to increase sensation with an arousal oil. Today I'm talking to those with a clitoris as we're looking at topical arousal oils. So although I am calling them an oil, I'm also referring to anything like a gel, a balm, what else is there? A cream. I knew there was one more word. So although I am calling them an oil, I'm also referring to anything like a gel, a balm, or a cream, basically anything that lives under the arousal umbrella. Arousal oils are basically sex stimulants. So they have active ingredients in them which affect the body in different ways. So these ingredients will increase and intensify the body's natural arousal responses. Arousal oils can help to increase blood flow and sensation, and they can also help you to feel more aroused. What am I saying? Arousal oils can help to increase blood flow and sensation. They can also make you feel more aroused, and they can also give you a stronger orgasm due to all that increased blood flow in the area.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Oh my god, page 1. Where's my red pen? Most arousal oils work in a similar way, but different active ingredients will have a slightly different effect on the body. So some are warming, some are cooling, some are tingling, and some are going to make you feel super sensitive. Here's a few examples. This is the Cosmo Electrifying Clitoral Gel. So this is a warming product which uses rosemary, so it increases sensation and gives you heightened sensitivity. This is the Joe Arctic Cooling Gel. So this uses menthol for a cooling and tingling effect. This is the Bijou Aphrodisia Arousal Balm. So this one has a little bit of everything. It's got ginseng root, it's got arginine, and it's also got menthol. Now that arginine is really good for those who want to increase their body's natural lubrication as it draws all the blood flow up into the area. To use an arousal oil, you need to apply it to the skin a little bit in advance of when you intend to apply. So different products will take different times to kick in. Some might be 5 minutes and some can take up to 30. Make sure you start small. So it's really easy to get carried away with this kind of product, but using too much can very quickly turn a warming sensation into a burning sensation. So use a tiny amount, allow your body to get used to it, and then if you need to, you can apply more later. Once you feel the product starting to kick in, what you do then is up to you. So you can use this with a partner, or you can use it during solo masturbation or with toys too. Once you're finished, you can either just let the product absorb into your skin, or you can wash it off if it's still going and you want to give your body a rest. Arousal oils are super fun to use, but there are a few things to be aware of before you get started. Number one, these use highly stimulating active ingredients, and they can be irritating to those with sensitive skin. So do a patch test on the back of your hand or your wrist before you get started to make sure you're not going to have a reaction to it. Everybody is different, and how you react to it may differ from someone else. So make sure if you're using a product like this, you do it when you've got a shower or some wet wipes nearby. If you feel your body starting to sting, burn, or feel any kind of irritation, just remove the product ASAP. Be aware that not all products are going to be condom compatible. So if you're using anything with an oil base, you can't use it along with latex condoms. So just have a good read of the ingredients before you get started. Thanks for tuning in to Doing It. If you want more, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on more fun sex stuff. Thanks everyone. Bye. Arousal oil.
Most arousal oils.
Thanks. Do you want to jump in and Oh, okay. I'm crying laughing.
No, it's fine.